Hello and welcome to Taik. I'm Mohammed Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about a complete introduction to Azure Synapse. So basically this was earlier, like last year or before, it was in preview, and then it has changed a lot in terms of technology products, in terms of naming convention. So there was a multiple confusions with the users how and what it has to be used. So I thought to make a video on it by collecting the detailed information, the latest information which is available on the web, what Microsoft Azure Synapse is. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. So basically, Azure Synapse is a limitless analytical service that brings together enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics. It gives you the freedom to query data on your terms, either using serverless or provision resource at scale. So this is the main thing of the Synapse, either serverless or provision resource at scale. Azure Synapse brings these two worlds together with a unified experience to ingest, prepare, manage, and serve data for immediate BI and machine learning needs. So this is all together they have brought up in one single place. Now we'll look into the whole picture, how and what it is. So here's the one. So don't worry about the thing, how it looks like. We'll go one by one. So basically whenever we want to prepare data, we need to ingest, right? So here they have used Adf Pipelines, which is Azure Data Factory Pipelines, to ingest the data, and also Azure Data Factory mapping data flows. So these two products have been used as a part of ingest. Now you might think about what is the use of Azure Data Factory, right? So this is basically if certain companies are just newly joining to Azure family, then they can directly use the Azure Synapse. If companies which are exist using right now the Azure Data Factory, Databricks, and other products of Azure, then they can also integrate this with Synapse. So that is the advantage of taking Synapse analytics. Okay, now when it comes to storage, we can store the data in a rational data warehouse and Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 and Spark tables and also Cosmos DB. So if you want to go in detail about what are all these things, then please let me know in the comment section below so that I can cover in depth about all these products. So basically, once you store the data, then you need to compute and then visualize, right? In order to compute, here's the main thing which they have added, which is SQL Provision Pool, which is basically a SQL data warehouse, which was now renamed to SQL Provision Pools. So initially it was SQL data warehouse, later they have changed to SQL dedicated pools, and now they have changed to SQL Provision Pools. So here we can query the data using TSQL to our rational database warehouse, or we can also connect to Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. And also we can use this latest updates on the SQL on demand pools, which is we don't need to keep a provision pools. We can pull the information on demand as and when required, and it can also connect to Azure Data Lake Storage and Spark tables and Cosmos DB. So this is also really helpful feature, but whatever you do, you need to make sure the cost effect on all these transaction scenarios. And also in the compute, we have this for the big data Apache Spark pool. So which is basically helpful for the big data analytics, which can connect to Spark SQL, Python, Scala, .NET. So all this language can be integrated to Apache Spark and to get the data. And in order to visualize the data, then you can use the Power BI, which is built into Synapse itself. So all these things comes into Synapse Analytics workspaces. So workspace is also the new thing which is they are introduced, and also we can visualize the data using Power BI. So all these things we can manage using Azure Synapse Studio in centralized place, and also we can monitor the cost and how the transaction is being going on, and also we can manage the security, how we need to give access permission to other users. So this is the complete introduction about the Synapse Analytics. If you want me to go in depth about all this functionality and features on the Synapse or any other Azure product, please let me know in the comment section below. As this new year begins, so we will just start this new thing based on your requirement. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.